one of the biggest discoveries of Albert Einstein is a big equivalence principle, which means that when you are in the spaceship and you accelerate with the same gravitational acceleration as it is on the Earth, uh, 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 this means 9.8 meters second on square, that everything is the same. Now we have to understand what is the physical origin of the equality of gravitational mass and inertial mass. When the spaceship is moving, is accelerating, the spaceship is interacting with the energy of the superfluid space and is integrating energy of superfluid space in the atomic structure. And that's why it gets relativistic mass. And that's why it's a bit heavier. The relativistic mass of the spaceship is bigger than the relativistic mass of the spaceship at rest. And this has nothing to do with the observer. Okay. So in other way, we can say that the kinetic energy of the spaceship is the energy of the superfluid space that is integrated in the atomic structure of the spaceship. And as the mass of this spaceship is bigger, the energy density in the center is slower. And that's why the clock will go slower in the fast spaceship. In the spaceship that is accelerating with the 9.8 meter second minus 2, the clock will run with the same speed, with the same rate as on the Earth's surface. And now you imagine that we have a physical object in the interstellar space, okay, where the energy density of superfluid space is at the maximum. So every physical object is diminishing energy density of space in its center exactly for the amount of its mass. Okay, this is the extension of the mass energy equivalence principle on the superfluid space. This is the article that I published in Nature, but it was retracted. So now the inertial mass of this physical object is the result of the diminished energy density of space in its center, because the outer space has a higher energy density and it's pressing towards the lower energy density. And this is inertia. This is the force of inertia, okay? But at the same time, this is also the force of gravity, because gravity is always directed from the bigger energy density to the lower energy density. So that's why inertial mass and gravitational mass are equal, but not only they are equal, they have the same origin. And this is what is still missing in general relativity, and this is actually what we published already. But because the mainstream of science is so involved in this idea that space is curved, nobody is taking us seriously. But the curvature of space in the general relativity should be developed into the variable energy density of space. Actually, it should be replaced with the variable energy density of space, and everything can be explained perfect. This is it. Thank you very much.